Hey guys, welcome back to my pain and suffering series where I experience extreme pain and suffering for like a day. I found this laptop on the e-waste bin which comes with a Core i5 and Windows 7, and I found out it's a Dell Inspiron 4050 which came out when I was 6 or 7. So I got out of bed and went onto my laptop which has Linux, and I was like, oh never mind, I can't install anything here. Okay, now my cat's gone. Time for my crazy idea. We're gonna be installing Windows Vista on here. So I got on Google and I found this website which has Windows Vista ISOs. Some of you guys might be wondering, why Vista? It's because back when I was at, I think, elementary school, the first ever OS I experienced was Windows Vista, and it'll feel a bit nostalgic, you know? Now I do have a PC and I do have a Windows laptop, but I'm going to be using Linux to flash this, and I'm going to be making a Windows drive using WoW USB, which is a bit of a challenge because you need to like do shit on the terminal. Yeah, I can technically go to my PC or to my laptop and make a bootable USB from Rufus, and that's it. But instead, I'm going to type all this crap on my terminal and like LARP and stuff to look cool and be performative.
Did it work? I think it did work. Oh yeah, 8%. Let's go.
Alright, so here I'm trying to boot the computer and going to the boot menu and selecting my USB as the main boot method so I can install Vista. Also, I freaking hate the fact that I have to angle the charging adapter a certain way just to get the laptop to turn on. Look at this shit, bro. Anyways, it works, and the hell? So I asked ChatGPT, like any logical person, and ChatGPT said, "Whoa, USB sometimes has trouble." So I installed Ventoy, and maybe it'll work. I don't know. Yep, it works. Let's go. I can always trust ChatGPT, bro. I swear to God. Even when people say it doesn't know. Oh, okay, bro. Instead of being a normal person and saving myself from pain and going to my PC or laptop to install it from Rufus, I decided to install Windows 10 first on that old laptop and installing Windows Vista. I was waiting, so I laid down for a bit and my cat's now sleeping on me. Now I can't make a video. Update, it did not work, so I'm gonna install it through a Windows laptop. I give up. Okay, a moment of truth. I'm pretty sure this will work because ChatGPT told me so. And oh my. The worst part is like it freaking turned off after I literally hit the cable just a little bit. Like I literally just hit it a little bit and it freaking turned off. Okay, I'm gonna plug it into another USB and see if it will work, because I don't know, I think it might. Who knows? Because if that was, oh my freaking god, it does work. Oh my god, that was it. It was just a USB in the wrong place. I'm gonna select Windows Vista Ultimate because why not? And I don't have a license because I technically pirated the ISO from the internet. Because why would I buy an official Windows Vista disc? Just kidding, don't cancel me, Microsoft. Okay, update, it's almost done installing, as you can see. And this looks absolutely beautiful, dude. I love the Windows Vista and Windows 7 aesthetic. Just look at it, dude. I just love this thing so much. It feels so nostalgic to me. Alright, so we're finally in Windows Vista, and I don't have a GPU driver or a Wi-Fi driver because Windows Vista is simply just a bit too old for this system. God damn. Okay, I installed a browser, and it's called MyPal. I've never heard of that browser actually, and I can't even freaking browse the internet, but I fixed it, and we got Google working. Let's go. I mean, Windows Vista is cool and all, and a lot of people try to copy like the arrow theme and stuff, but I wouldn't really understand why you would use this as your daily driver unless you're like forced to, because like I can't even open YouTube videos. So I tried installing games, but Minecraft isn't supported anymore, and I wanted to install Half-Life because I own Half-Life on Steam, but I don't think Steam is also supported, but there are games here. I decided to like play chess, even though I haven't played chess in like 6 or 7 years. It's been a while since I played chess, and I forgotten every mechanic of the game, but I tried it out, and it was so freaking laggy. Like chess is laggy, bro. I can't really get a screen recorder though because I don't have GPU, and I don't think there's any screen recorders for Vista really. I want to try playing Minesweeper, cause why not? Advanced, cause I'm such a pro. Yeah, as you can see, I'm like such a pro, dude. Fuck. Here I'm just trying to change the wallpaper, cause why not? And yeah, I'm changing to the fish one, cause I used that wallpaper when I got my first laptop. Oh my god, I'm so old. Well, conclusion is yeah, it's definitely possible to install it, but use it? Probably not.